Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key. Wait till it turns off completely. And after that, hold down combination power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds. When you see this menu, you should use volume up key to navigate to the first option, recovery mode, and then select it with volume down key. When you see this Android robot image and no command message under it, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once to open recovery mode menu. In recovery mode, use volume keys to navigate to the last option, wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key. And after you see this message, cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.